Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to update FreeCAD to latest version. So what you're going to do is first thing first, you will go to the freecad.org, so the official web page. Now here you will click simply download now and select your operation system. So if you have Windows, Mac, Linux, okay, you will download basically the X file. You will run and install the whole program again. After you do that, you run the FreeCAD, and when you open the FreeCAD, it will automatically detect basically your previous version and safely override the core program files while preserving your personal settings. So as you can see here, we can do that. Copy configuration recommended. If we click on that, migrating configuration data and add-ons, it will take a few moments. It will restart also. So we just need to wait a few moments, and just like that, now we have basically everything as it needs to be. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Now, how you can update add-ons on Workbench. What you're going to do is head over to the top menu, Tools, and then Add-on Manager. And just like that, look at the bottom left of the window for the Update All. So right here you see C1 Update. And yeah, update selected add-ons. It will take again a few moments, and yeah, you are good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next